नाज़रीन, मलाइशिया के दारुल हुकूमत कुआलालंपुर में इस वक्त वज़ीर आज़म इमरान खान और मलाइशिया के वज़ीर आज़म महातीर मोहम्मद मुश्तरका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। इससे पहले दोनों वज़ीर आज़म के दरमियान मलाइशियन वज़ीर आज़म के दफ्तर में 1-on-1 मुलाकात हुई, जिसमें दो तरफा ताल्लुकात और मुख्तलिफ शोबों में ताउन बढ़ाने पर तबादला ख्याल किया गया।
To invite the Honourable Dr Mahathir Mohamad, Prime Minister of Malaysia, to begin the session.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Excellencies, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. This is an official visit by the Prime Minister of Pakistan. And for me, this is the first time I am receiving somebody on an official visit to Malaysia. And we welcome this visit. Pakistan and Malaysia had a long relationship, and mostly it has been a close relationship. And we have also been trading with each other. But we find that we have some internal problems which are similar within Malaysia and Pakistan. And I had a 4-eyed meeting with the Prime Minister. We discussed these issues and ways and means of tackling them. We will continue to have dialogues in order to benefit from each other's experience and ways of tackling the problem faced by us. Then we had a delegation meetings, and during the delegation meetings we discussed a lot of things that are common to us, among which would be the foreign direct investments, turning around companies, the role of khazana and privatization, tourism, and food, as well as an invitation on the part of the Prime Minister for me to visit Pakistan in March of next year, when I would be attending the National Day.
It's the Pakistan Day.
Pakistan
It's
Day.
on the 23rd of March.
Yeah, I will be
as a chief guest.
As the chief guest. So we also would like to take up the desire of Pakistan to become a dialogue partner in the ASEAN group, and some other matters regarding mutual defense cooperation. So that's all that we talked about, and perhaps you would like to.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Prime Minister. First of all, let me say that one of the main reasons for me wanting to come and bring my delegation here was out of admiration of Prime Minister Mahathir. We look upon you as a statesman, someone who transformed his country. We have followed Malaysia's progress, especially since Prime Minister, when you came to office. And my party, we want to learn from your experience, how you transformed an economy, developed it, raised the per capita income, raised the GDP. So we wanted to come here on the first opportunity to learn from your past experiences. And then, as it happens, presently both of us, our governments, are in very similar situations. We both came to power on, people gave us mandate on an anti-corruption platform. And we face similar situations in terms of we face unprecedented debt. And so there was a lot to share. We want to talk to you about dealing with the crisis and how to come out of it. And I'm very pleased with our morning discourse. We exchange views about trade. Of particular interest for Pakistan is we have this huge untapped tourism potential. And Malaysia has developed tourism resorts, which we really want to have placed in Pakistan, because we have tourism spots, but we don't have resorts. So apart from that, the other areas of trade and of mutual benefit. So we hope to further these contacts. We hope to strengthen our relationship. We hope to, and then above all, we look forward to Prime Minister, you coming to Pakistan and gracing the occasion on the 23rd of March, which is a Pakistan Day. Gigi.
There's no Q&A for this session, sorry. If your speeches have been concluded, thank you very much, His Excellency. Thank you, Honorable Tun. That concludes our event for today. And I would like to thank everyone, members of the media, and hope you all have a pleasant day ahead. Thank you.